Hello guys, I'm Marielis with WTI and I love lipsticks, especially the matte ones. That's why I want to show you this pack of 10 matte lipsticks. It has a good range of shades for different skin tones and preferences. We could say that it has shades of pink, red, and purple. They're matte, so they dry super fast. They are small, but they carry a lot of product, which is great because they are easy to store and take anywhere. But they will last a long time because they have a lot of product. The applicator is really nice. It helps to cover all your mouth, even all shores. If I get dirty, I just remove the excesses with a wipe. After they get dry, it doesn't transfer and they smell super delicious. Have a chewing gum smell. We have different shades, right? So if I want a darker or lighter shade, I just mix two of them. I usually mix a red one with a pink or a red with a purple, and it turns so pretty. I like use one of these in my special events, and sure you would like to. And that's my point of view.